Here in the homestead, our blueberries are almost ready for harvest, but we have one more step that we need to do before they turn blue, and that's so the birds don't get to them before we do. So how do we do that, do you ask? On our homestead, we use what's called flash tape. It makes a loud noise and it crinkles and flashes and keeps the birds at bay perfectly. We've been using this method for over 6 years on our homestead, and without fail every year, we're able to harvest a beautiful crop of blueberries. So you might be wondering, what do we need to do this? One roll of flash tape, they're very affordable, only about $8 to $10. Then we like to use a bundle of sticks to get that flash tape higher up in the air. Additionally, this is somewhat optional. You could tie up the sticks, but we like to use duct tape. It's nice and easy and quick. Now, a lot of the times, these sticks will actually last for multiple years. But this year, we are in a new stick season. Then you cut it loose and watch it flow in the wind. Voila! Our flash tape is almost all the way up, but we still need to add one more row down below. Because our bushes are lower to the ground, there's plenty of berries down below for the birds to get. So by putting some flash tape down below, it prevents them from eating those. Now these little pieces, they can be a bit shorter so that they're not dragging on the ground. Our flash tape is up and we're ready for harvest. We're gonna wait a few more weeks for those blueberries to turn blue, and then they're all ours. Stay tuned for our farm to table recipe video coming soon.